Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're unboxing and taking a first look at the brand new DJI Avata 2, DJI's latest FPV drone that promises an even better flying experience. So let's dive right in. So right away, we've got that signature DJI packaging, clean, minimal, and packed with tech. So first up is the DJI Avata 2 itself. Slightly refined in design, but still keeping that compact Cinewhoop style form factor. And then we've got the DJI Goggles 3, the latest update from DJI, bringing enhanced clarity, lower latency, and a more immersive experience. And then over here, we've got the DJI Motion Controller 3 for those intuitive one-handed flight controls. We have also a new upgraded battery, promising extended flight time, various accessories, so USB-C charging cables, extra propellers, and manuals. Everything here looks premium, as expected from DJI, but let's talk about what's new and improved. Okay, so let's move into design and build. The Avata 2 keeps its Cinewhoop inspired design, meaning it's lightweight, durable, and great for indoor and outdoor flights. But what's new? Improved aerodynamics for better handling and stability, larger camera sensor for improved low light performance, stronger propeller guards, making it even more crash resistant, and also a redesigned battery system for easier swapping and longer endurance. So let's talk about one of the biggest selling points, which is the camera. It's got an upgraded CMOS sensor, which has better dynamic range, wider FOV, which is field of view, capturing more of the action, rock steady and horizon steady stabilization, ensuring battery smooth footage. It also has 4K 60 frame per second video with enhanced color grading options. This is going to be an absolute game changer for FPV pilots who love cinematic flying. So next is performance and flight experience. Flying the Avata 2 is where it really shines. Here's what's new on the performance side. It has improved transmission range with DJI's OcuSync 4.0, reducing signal drops. It has better wind resistance for more stable outdoor flights. New flight modes, including manual mode for pro pilots, sport mode for hybrid flying, and normal mode for beginners. It also has a longer flight time. It's expected to be between 15 to 18 minutes per battery. Let's move on to the Goggles 3 and the Motion Controller. So these are the goggles and this is the controller that we just showed you earlier. The new DJI Goggles 3 take the immersion to the next level compared to previous models that we've seen before. It has much higher resolution and a refresh rate for a clearer view, reduced latency for near instant response. It also has built-in time recording, so there's no need for external DVRs. And the Motion 3 controller keeps things super intuitive, tilt to turn, push to accelerate. It's like flying in VR. So, who is the DJI Avata 2 for? If you're a beginner, the motion controller makes it easy to get started. If you're an FPV pilot, you'll love the new manual controls and the improved camera. And if you're a cinematic flyer, this thing is a dream for capturing smooth, dynamic footage. Overall, the DJI Avata 2 is looking like an incredible upgrade. Better video, better flight performance. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see a full flight test, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next awesome drone content video. Until next time, happy flying.